Several streams that I did before, they were about shrinking down the size of my website without changing anything. Well, I've changed some of the icons, but that they don't really count. Like, I've redesigned this bit. I've converted this into an SVG offline. I've also I've also done a stream where I've converted the QNOT icon or remastered the QNOT icon into an SVG because this didn't have an SVG format. It was just a Photoshop document before. Anyway, so as you can see, we've managed to get the size of our website down to 1.3 megabytes, which is quite a lot compared to the 3.8 figure that we got when we started this initial optimization task. Most of it came from, actually, almost all of it came from changing images and like using small, and a tiny bit of it came from using more optimized libraries such as React icons. And today, I was looking at the biggest items that we're downloading from the server, and we are in the territory where fonts are slowly becoming a problem. So I've done some research about how font sizes can be shrink down because I can't really get rid of fonts. Like, I want to use Roboto, I want to use this one, and I want to use other ones. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna replace Roboto with a compressed version of this. So I'm just gonna be using a WOFF file, which is that one. And fortunately, someone already has converted Roboto to this format, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this file. And I'm gonna put it in my website, and you're gonna see our download size for Roboto, which was 87.4 kilobytes. This is gonna go down to whatever the size of this thing is, but it's definitely gonna be smaller. I used to have a folder for Roboto, but I don't use all of these fonts, so I'm just gonna delete these, and then I'm gonna drag this new file into here, add edit to get rid of this folder, and it's not a true type anymore. We're just gonna replace it with that. Okay. So if I start the server now, let's wait for that to start in the background. It used to be, let's check it. Let's see what it used to be. It was 87.4, and if you refresh the page now, you are gonna see it's 60.5 kilobytes now. So we've saved around 27 kilobytes, which is fair, fine, right? Oh, by the way, this is bigger. This is just 2.3 megs. It's larger than what we get in production because we don't have optimizations in development mode. When we deploy to Firebase, that's when we will see the actual benefits. And there's one more thing that I could do. So I was looking online about how to convert OTF files into WOFF files. I'm not sure what the abbreviation stands for. Let's see. Web Open Font Format. Okay, right. Well, today I learned, right? Anyway, let's go back to the task. So let's see this in Finder. It's there. And I found this website online which says it converts OTFs to WOFF files. So I'm just gonna drag this into here. It's 87 kilobytes, and well, I hope it manages to get it down to something less than 87.4. Okay, 40 kilobytes, that's a lot. Okay. Actually, if it works, that's quite a lot. But like, how did it just shrink it down to half its size? That's impressive. Okay, let's replace this one as well. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but let's go back to Google Chrome. This is the production website. Let's see how big it was. Is it used to be 52.3 kilobytes for some reason that I don't understand, but it's now 40.2 kilobytes. Okay, that's some savings, I guess, right? Okay, so this is the production website with this image, and the size of the website is 136 something bytes. And then if I deploy this, it's probably gonna be smaller, right? Do we have any other fonts that we should convert in here? Seems like no. Well, there's Avenir that we've used before. Where is it? Here. And we've assigned it to the headers in the website. However, for some reason we don't download it. I don't know. I'm gonna take a look into that one later. I'm gonna take a look into that one offline. But I just want to see if our improvements actually made a difference. So I'm going to deploy this website. I'm going to refresh the web page until I get the same image, and I'm going to see if it's less than 136. Okay. Yep, we've deleted those. We've added these two files. That's right. Okay. Let me see if everything's right. Yeah, everything looks fine. No changes that I could see. Right? Okay, let's deploy this. npm run script build and then firebase deploy. Alright, let's just wait until this finishes. It shouldn't take long. Alright, uploading new files. Releasing. Okay, it's released. So we used to have 136 on this image, and now I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to inspect, and I'm going to refresh the page until I get the same image. Oh, no luck here. No. Nope. No. Oh, come on. I have to find a better way to test this. Okay, same image. Network. Well, it used to be 136. It's 131 now, which is less than 136, right? Yes. So that's how you save some more space by just compressing your fonts. I didn't know this was a thing, but up next is probably, I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea, you know. But yeah, you can maybe we can shrink them down further by some other methods that I don't know of yet. But yeah, this is basically how you get the size of your website down, by just compressing your fonts. If you have open type fonts, just convert them. I'm sure there are some compatibility issues, like this probably is not supported in ancient versions of IE something. Like if you use Internet Explorer 7, it's yeah. Let's take a look into the compatibility chart, right? WOFF compatibility. Yeah, all major versions of all browsers are supported, which is good. There's something called WOFF2, and this is pretty much supported in every single browser again, except Internet Explorer, but who cares about that one, right? I don't really care about that one. It's dead anyway. Yeah, it's even supported in Samsung Internet, and I assume it's supported in, Yeah, it's almost supported in every single browser that I've ever used. It's supported in iOS 12, which most of the iOS devices should be running on, and mobile Chrome. Where's mobile Chrome? Android browser, no. Chrome for Android, 78. It's 35% usage though. Hmm. I might just stick with the first version of this for now. W web open something, I forgot, but anyway, yeah. I think I'll stick with the first version of this. Or actually, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll take a look into this offline, but keep in mind you can compress your fonts. You can even compress your fonts. All right, time to end the stream, and I'm gonna come back with some more research on how to like compress my current fonts into maybe this one, so I can save some more space. But yeah, today I learned that you can compress fonts. Well, you learn something new every day. All right, have a nice evening and bye.